Hi. This is a video how to pay monthly internet via Smartpit machine. Let's check it out. Step 1. Come to the nearest convenience store that provides Smartpit machines. You can come to Family Mart, Lawson or Mini Stop. Step 2. Go the Smartpit machine. Step 3. How to pay via Smartpit. Choose International Money Transfer Service, then select Smartpit Payment. Press OK for confirmation and please wait. Then enter the 13-digit Smartpit number at the back of the Smartpit card. Press OK when done. Your bills will be shown on the screen. Touch the items to select your bills to pay, and then press the OK button to continue. Your bill is printed. Then take the printed bill to the cashier and make a payment. The subscription ticket is only valid for 30 minutes after it is issued. Please make your payment within 30 minutes. Now, how to make a payment on a Lawson Smartpit machine. Step 1. Select users with passcode showed on the screen. Step 2. Input your Smartpit number. Step 3. After you input your Smartpit code, then press Next. Step 4. Choose the one that says Smartpit Payment. Step 5. Select the payment request if it is correct, and then press Confirm. Step 6. Confirm your payment information again, then press the Confirm button. And done. You can go to the cashier to make a payment. The subscription ticket is only valid for 30 minutes after it is issued. Please make your payment within 30 minutes. Don't forget to visit mashuptokyo.myshopify.com. Thanks for watching.